Hi, I'm Christina from Joice, and this is a short tutorial on how to make slip knots and chains. There are many different ways to tie a slip knot. I will go over 3 methods in this video, after which I'll show you how to continue with chains. Choose the method you are most comfortable with, and remember that practice makes perfect. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Letting me know that you are enjoying the content really makes my day. Before we get started, you'll need to gather a few supplies. You'll need a crochet hook and yarn in a thickness that fits your hook. In this tutorial I'm going to use a crochet hook size 6 mm, as I am using t-shirt yarn. However, the techniques I'll demonstrate are applicable to all types of yarn. Start by creating a loop like this. Insert the hook from the back side and tighten the loop. Hold the loop with your thumb as I show here. Grab the thread attached to your spool. Hook the yarn and pull it through the loop. Pull the thread to tighten the loop. The slip knot is done. Grab the end of your yarn and place it like this. Wrap the thread attached to the spool around your fingers as I show here. Wrap the thread so that it crosses itself and an X is formed. Insert the hook under the first thread on your hand. Hook the second thread, pull it under and twist the hook a little bit to create a loop. Hold the loop with your thumb. And while you hold the loop, pull the 2 threads to tighten the slip knot. Pull the working thread to tighten up. This was the second method. Grab your yarn and place it like this. The thread needs to be tight and should lie between your index finger and middle finger. Insert the hook from the back and further under this thread. Twist your hand like this. Hook the thread and pull it through the loop. Release your thumb and pull the threads to tighten the loop. This is probably the trickiest method of the 3, but it will be easy after you try it a couple of times. Now that you've made a slip knot, you're ready to start making chains. Hold the hook in your dominant hand with the slip knot around the hook. Pull the yarn through the slip knot, creating a new loop on the hook. This is your first chain. Repeat this process to create additional chains. And that's it! You now know how to make slip knots and chains. Practice these basic techniques and soon you'll be on your way to creating beautiful crochet projects. Thank you for watching.